Good morning, students. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. Students, we are going to learn our subject English of Standard First. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So, students, are you all ready for learning your subject English? So students, in our today's online lecture, we are going to learn a new topic, a new lesson from our English Bal Bharati textbook. So I request all my dear students to open your English Bal Bharati textbook. Students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharati textbook? You can see the image of your English Bal Bharati textbook. From our textbook, we are going to learn a new lesson. So let us see the name of the lesson that we are going to learn in our today's online lecture. So, our lesson's name is lesson number 6, word house. So, students, we are going to study unit 4, lesson number 6, word house. So, let me explain you what is there in this lesson, word house. So, in this lesson, we are going to see many words. There are collection of words we are going to study in this lesson. Now, in this lesson, words will be given. We have to put the words in the proper column. So, the 4 different groups, or you can say 4 different categories or types will be given to you all, like numbers, houses, clothes, and body parts. So the 4 types will be given to you all and the words will be given. Now, from the group of the words, you have to choose the word which is going to be listed in the group or the category. So, we have to arrange the word in that group. बच्चों, लेसन नंबर 6 वर्ड हाउस में हमें वर्ड्स दिए गए रहेंगे, वर्ड्स यानी शब्द. अब वर्ड्स 2 लेटर 3 लेटर आपने सीनियर केजी क्लास में पढ़े होंगे और यहाँ पे 4 अलग ग्रुप दिए गए रहेंगे, जिसमें एक ग्रुप का नाम होगा नंबर, दूसरे ग्रुप का बॉडी पार्ट्स, थर्ड ग्रुप का क्लोथ्स, फोर्थ ग्रुप का होम्स. तो हमें उस ग्रुप में वो वर्ड्स पहचान कर उस ग्रुप में हमें लिखना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द करेक्ट आंसर इन द गिवन ग्रुप. So in lesson number 6, we are going to learn the word house. Our lesson's name is word house. So open page number 38 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, open your page number 38 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. Lesson number 6, word house. So students, as I explained you the name of the lesson, You can see on the page number 38. Now, students, carry a pencil in your hand for writing down the answer in the columns, in the blanks given to you all. बच्चों, ये लेसन नंबर 6 वर्ड हाउस में आपको दिख रहा है, वर्ड्स दिए हैं और 4 ग्रुप्स है. फर्स्ट ग्रुप है होम, सेकेंड है नंबर्स, थर्ड है बॉडी पार्ट्स और फोर्थ है क्लोथ्स. तो हमें उस वर्ड को रीड करना है और उनके ग्रुप में उन्हें लिखना है. तो इसके लिए आपको पेंसिल निकालना होगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैरी अ पेंसिल विथ यू फॉर राइटिंग डाउन द आंसर. नाउ I request those students who are not having the English Bal Bharati textbook can copy from the video in your English notebook. They can copy all the words and they can draw 4 circles. In that 4 circles, you can give the students for writing down the proper word in the proper group. So, बच्चों जिनके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है वो पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को एक पेज पर वर्ड्स लिख कर दे सकते हैं और दूसरे पेज पर उन्हें ये 4 सर्कल्स बनाने हैं जिसमें वो बच्चे आंसर लिखेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस स्टार्ट with our lesson number 6 word house. This is a very short lesson and this lesson you are going to understand very easily. So let us see and write the answer. Question number 1. Read and write down the related words in the blanks. Now you can see there 4 groups are there. 4 in the 4 circles you have to write in the first circle home. Now what is the meaning of home? बच्चों, अब होम का मतलब क्या है? अब ये वर्ड्स जो नीचे आपको दिए गए हैं इसमें से जो चीज़ें घर के लिए यूज़ होती है हम उन्हें होम में लिखेंगे. Students, the things which are used for the home, we are going to write that word in the blank in the home column. So, for example, you can see the words foot, no, kitchen. So, kitchen, where you can see the kitchen in the home. So, you will write the spelling of kitchen in the home. तो बच्चों, आपको इसी तरीके से वर्ड को रीड करना है और उन्हें उसके अनुसार लिखना है. होम मतलब घर में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आप देखते हो. सेकेंड इज नंबर्स. नाउ नंबर्स, द नंबर कैन बी इन अ वर्ड और इन अ फिगर्स. बच्चों, अब नंबर वर्ड्स में भी हो सकते हैं या फिगर्स में भी हो सकते हैं. स्पेलिंग भी हो सकती है और नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं. तो आपको उसे रीड करना है और उससे आपको नंबर्स के सर्कल में you have to write in the numbers circle in the blank. For example, FIVE 5 you can see here in the given words. So you will pick up 5 and you will write in the numbers. Now the third is body parts. So body parts मतलब शरीर के अवयव. मतलब आपको शरीर के अवयव मतलब आपको शरीर में जो हमारे अंग होते हैं उससे अलग अलग नाम इसमें ये सारे वर्ड्स में दिए गए हैं. जैसे फुट, स्टमक, आइज. तो इन शब्दों को आप कहाँ लिखोगे? बॉडी पार्ट्स में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, you will read the words and you will write the words which are belonging to the body parts. Now the fourth column is clothes. In the clothes, you will write the name of the clothes from the words given to you all. For example, coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Now, coat is a cloth. Yes or no? Yes. Dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress. So, dress is also a cloth. So, it will come in cloth. Now, students, let us see which words will come in the home column. बच्चों, अब हमें देखना है कि होम में कौन कौन से वर्ड्स आएंगे. So let us write the words which will come in the home circle. So students, now let us see which words will come in the home column. So carry a pencil in your hand. So students, now let us see the answers that we are going to write. F-O-O-T, foot. Now what is foot? Foot is the body part. So you will write the answer F-O-O-T, foot in the body part. So write it F-O-O-T, foot in the body parts column. Second word is mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Now mother, where can you see your mother? At home. So you will write mother in home, H-O-M-E, home. The third one is coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Now coat is a cloth. So you will write in cloth. So students, write C-O-A-T, coat in the clothes column. In the circle of the clothes you will write. Now the next word is, fourth word is cupboard, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Now cupboard, where can you see the cupboard? At home. So you will write cupboard in the home circle. So write C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard in the home group. TV, T-V. Now where is TV seen? At home. So you will write TV in home circle, given in the blank. Now raincoat, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat is a cloth. So you will write in the clothes circle in the given blank. Now students, let us see the second line. In the second line, first word is kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Now kitchen is seen in the home, H-O-M-E, home. So write the spelling of kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen, in the circle of home. The next is father. Again, father is at home. So again you will write F-A-T-H-E-R, father in home circle. The first circle is home. You will write father. The next third word is spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. You will write the spoon in the first circle of home. Now the next, F-I-V-E, phi. Now what is phi? Phi is the number. So you will write F-I-V-E, phi in the numbers column. So write F-I-V-E, phi in the numbers circle. In the second circle is the number circle. You will write the spelling of 5. Now 4. So number 4. So you will write the number 4 in the numbers circle, the second circle. And the last word is stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. You will write the spelling of stomach in the body parts in the third circle. Now you can see the third line, KNEE, knee. Now knee is a body part again, so you will write the spelling of KNEE, knee, in the third circle. The next is shirt, SHIRT, shirt. Now shirt is a cloth, so you will write in the fourth circle the spelling of shirt, SHIRT, shirt. Now the next is THREE. Now 3 is again the number, so you will write the 3, spelling of 3 in the number in the second circle. Scarf, SCARF, scarf. Now scarf is the cloth, so you will write in the cloth circle the spelling of scarf. Now the next is first. Now first is the number, so you will write in the second column first. And the last word is glass, GLASS, glass. Now glass will come in home, so you will write the spelling of glass in the first circle in the home. Now just see the fourth row, the fourth line. The first word is bag, BAG, bag. Now where can you see the bag? At home, so you will write in the first circle BAG, bag, at home. Second word is sari, SAREE, sari is a cloth, so you will write in the fourth blank in the fourth circle sari. The third word is eyes, EYES, eyes. Now eyes is again the body part, you will write in the third circle. The next is shoulder, SHOULDER, shoulder. So you will write the spelling of shoulder in the third column. Socks, SOCKS, socks. Socks will come in the cloth as we wear the socks. So write the spelling of socks in the fourth circle. The last word hall, HALL, hall. Now where can you see the hall? At home, where we sit. Yes or no? Yes. Hall is a room. So HALL, hall will come in the home, in the first circle. Now the last row, the fifth row, first word ONE1. Now ONE1 will come in the number circle, in the second circle. Second word wrist, WRIST, wrist. Wrist is the body part, so you will write in the third circle. The next word is elbow, ELBOW, elbow. Elbow is again the body part, so you will write in the third circle. Dress, DRESS, dress. You will write the spelling of dress in the fourth circle, DRESS, dress. And the next head, HEAD, head. Now head is again the body part, you will write in the third circle of body part. And the last word is bed, BED, bed. Where can you see the bed? At home. So you will write the spelling BED, bed, in the home column, in the home circle. Now students, let us check the answer which you have written, so that any mistake if you have done, you can correct your answer. So the first column is, the first circle is home, HOME, home. So let us check which things are there in the home circle. So students, in the home you will write the first word is mother, MOTHER, mother. The second word is cupboard. Those students have not completed, they can write it now. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. The next is TV. TV. And the next is kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. The next is father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. The next is spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. The next is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. The next is bag. B-A-G, bag. And the space is not there, so you can write it on the right hand side or on the left hand side as I have written out of the circle. H-A-L-L, hall. And the last one, B-E-D, bed. So these all words you will write in the home circle with the pencil. बच्चों, आपको ये सारे वर्ड्स कहाँ लिखने हैं? होम में. होम यानी ये सारी चीज़ें हमें कहाँ दिखती है? घर पर. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे होम के सर्कल में. Now let us see the next circle, numbers. सेकेंड सर्कल है नंबर्स. अब इसमें आपको लिखना है. नाउ इन दिस सर्कल check the answer. If you have written, the first number is, first word is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The second one is number 4. The third one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The fourth one is first. And the last one is O-N-E, 1. So you will write the spellings in the numbers. So check your answer. If you have written it correct, those who have not written, they can copy it now. बच्चों, अब आपको नंबर्स में देखना है, आपके आंसर चेक करने हैं कि आपने करेक्ट लिखा है कि नहीं. नंबर्स यानी गिनती. अब ये अक्षरों में भी हो सकती है और ये अंकों में भी हो सकती है. तो हमने वो वर्ड्स में से जितने भी नंबर्स आए थे, स्पेलिंग या नंबर, वो हमें नंबर्स के सर्कल में आंसर लिखे हैं. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज बॉडी पार्ट. सो लेट अस सी द बॉडी पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज फुट. F-O-O-T, foot. The second one is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. The third one is knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Fourth one is eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The fifth one is shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. The next one is wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. The next one is elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. And the last one is head. H-E-A-D, head. So these are all the body parts which will come in the circle of the body parts. So students, just check your answer whether it is correct or not. बच्चों, ये शरीर के अवयव के शब्द है जो आपको बॉडी पार्ट्स में लिखने हैं. तो आप आंसर चेक करो कि आपने बॉडी पार्ट्स में करेक्ट लिखे हैं या नहीं. और द लास्ट वन इज क्लोथ्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज C-O-A-T, coat. The second one is raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. The third one is shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. The fourth one is scarf. S-C-A-R-F, scarf. The fifth one is sari. S-A-R-E-E, sari. The next is socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. And the last one is dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. So students, these are the clothes So you just check the answer whether in the clothes you have written the words properly or not. बच्चों, ये क्लोथ्स है यानी कपड़े, तो आपने कपड़ों के इसमें जो वर्ड्स लिखे हैं आपको जस्ट चेक करना है कि वो सही है या नहीं. So students, here we have completed the word house. So students, here we have completed the word house. So those students who are not having the textbook, they can just watch the video and copy it down in your English notebook. And those students who are having the textbook, you have to complete in the textbook page number 38. So students, thank you for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected, be safe, stay home, stay healthy, and be connected for the next online lecture of English. Thank you.